Hello, in this video I'll show you what to do when one of your Helium sensors is not working properly. When your Helium sensors is either showing you an error message or is not calibrating or they're not in the same range of helium, it is very probably caused due to a high moisture inside of the sensor. If this happens frequently, if you live in an environment with high humidity, please consider buying a head dryer. The link will be in the description down below. What you want to do when there is moisture inside is you want to suck it out. You don't want to blow it out because you're either going to spit inside of the sensor and it's going to cause damage, or the moistness in your breath will condensate inside and will not remove the problem but may even worsen it. So what you want to do is you want to take the sensor and you want to suck on it. Afterwards, try testing if it's clean, if it works, and do not leave the moisture inside for very long. It may corrode the inner workings of the sensor. Thank you for your attention, and if you have any further questions, please consult the user manual or send us a question through email or through Facebook.